Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be making something very special, and of course I'm just showing you the ingredients. We have some chicken breast, green peas, green beans, some bell peppers. We have the red tatashi pepper, which is a bit hot, and we also have the red chili, some carrots, we have onions, ginger, garlic, just the basic ingredients that you actually need to make a very lovely vegetable stir fry. I have this mixed spices which we are going to use to marinate our chicken, and all the ingredients will be in the description box. So first off, we want to add some light soy sauce to the chicken breast. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm going to be adding the spice mix. Now this is lovely because you just add all the spices in a plate, mix them up together, and you can use that for the chicken. I'm also going to be adding my crushed pepper in there, and we are going to mix this up together just to allow the flavors to build up in the chicken. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. It's all fun here. You're going to enjoy every moment that you spend on this channel. Now with the cling film, we're going to wrap this up, and I'm going to keep in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes while we slice our vegetables. So as we all know, always slice your vegetables. Make sure that all your ingredients are set. And we're starting off with our bell peppers. All you need to do is just slice your vegetables into thin strips. If you want to cut them smaller than this, that is totally fine. But for this recipe, this is exactly how we want it to look. So while we're slicing our vegetables, I just want to tell you that if you love the video that you just watched, well, that is just to let you know that your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's actually the heart of your home and where memories are created and nourishment begins. Okay, so a beautiful kitchen isn't just about the aesthetics. I don't want you to think about, oh, it has to be so beautiful. No, it's actually more about functionality, and that is where good kitchen tools and accessories come into play. And this is the reason why I do not joke with it. And if you are in love with good kitchen accessories, good kitchen tools, then you need to check the description box because I have a link that will take you to a wonderful website where you can get these durable kitchen tools. So I want you to imagine effortlessly slicing through ingredients with sharp knives, just like as I'm doing right now, and creating culinary masterpieces with precision and easily organizing your space with smart storage solutions. A well equipped kitchen elevates your cooking experience and makes every meal a delight. So it doesn't matter whether you're a passionate cook, whether you're a busy parent, or a newlywed embarking on your culinary journey. Investing in quality kitchen essentials is an investment in your daily joy and well being. So, I want you to tell me in the comments what you think about that video. And of course, if you want to get lovely, amazing kitchen tools and equipment, check the link in the description box. I have something waiting for you. All you need to do is just head over to that website and you can get amazing, amazing kitchen equipment. You can also check my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box. So, back to the recipe, guys. We are just slicing our vegetables and anything that is sliceable. And we have our onions, we have garlic and ginger. Just slice that up, and this sauce is very easy. It is also very nutritious. In fact, when I had this with pasta, I was wondering. So, rice is not the only thing that you can actually have with this. Right now, we're going to bring out our chicken breast from the fridge and we are going to grill it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So, time for our sauce, okay? Add some olive oil into a pan. As you can see, I'm using my karate pot. You can also find that in the description box if you want to get one of these. It comes in a set of four. Add the garlic and ginger. Also, add your onions and allow this to saute for some minutes. I'm going to add some curry powder in there. I'm adding some rosemary. I'm also going to add some coriander spice and add a little bit of pepper. So if you are someone who likes your food spicy or a little bit spicy, and you can add more pepper depending on how you like it. Now we're going to add our sliced red chili pepper, some fresh tomatoes will go in there. Stir this together and allow this to saute for some minutes. Remember that it is vegetable stir fry, so it's actually a very lovely recipe. Add your green beans, allow this to just simmer for a while, and now we're going to add all the bell peppers. So we have the red bell pepper, we have our green bell pepper, and of course our yellow bell pepper. So why this recipe is very lovely is because you can actually use any vegetable that is available to make this, and it is so tasty. Like, you're going to love this recipe. It's really, really nice. Right now, you're just going to allow this to saute for some time. I'm going to add a little bit of the spice blend and add a little bit of water. Another trick you can actually add to this is adding some corn flour syrup if you want it to be thick, but this is exactly how I love it. Add your green peas and your carrots and allow this to simmer for some time. And this is what you have. You have a lovely vegetable stir fry that you can actually eat with anything. Garnish with some spring onions and you are good to go. We have an amazing meal. You can have this with potatoes, with rice, with pasta, anything that you want to have this meal with. This is lovely. I want you guys to give this a try and let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is very important. Like and share this video. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not gotten any of my recipe books, well, you're missing a whole lot. You can check the description box and you will find my recipe books right there. In fact, our latest recipe book is our diabetic friendly recipe book, which contains 7 nourishing recipes for you if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes. So here I'm just trying to plate our meal and we have some hot steaming rice and of course the vegetable and our grilled chicken, and of course eat and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.